Up next on TLS. Are you hungry, Philippines? This is the show's special segment that features great food and the beautiful places where you can enjoy them. In this week's episode, Are You Hungry, PH takes you to Las Casas in Quezon City, that nostalgic restaurant and events place inspired by Las Casas Resort in Bataan. Welcome to Las Casas in Quezon City. It's an events place, a restaurant, and museum of old Spanish colonial structures that give you a feel of the popular Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar in Bataan. In this video, I'll take you on a tour of this nostalgic events place and restaurant. For more features on what to eat and where to eat them, follow Are You Hungry, PH on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.